Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to see the lesson Be Smart from 10th standard textbook and its English workshop activity. So friends, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get our latest video updates. So let's get started. Summary. प्रत्येकजण स्वविकास प्रगती करायचा प्रयत्न करत असतो. आपलं लक्ष्य साध्य करण्याचा प्रयत्न करताना आपल्याजवळ काही गुण असले पाहिजेत. यश संपादन करताना काही गोष्टी कशा असाव्यात याचं तज्ञ लोक मार्गदर्शन करतात. एव्हरीवन ट्राईज टू प्रॉस्पर अँड ट्राईज टू अचीव वन्स गोल. There are certain qualities one should possess. Experts suggest some smart steps to reach success. English workshop. Question. Complete the following web with the words associated with the test and the given title. Components of success. यशाचे घटक. Specific area, time limit, consistency, विशेष, creativity, vision, will and skill. Question. Pick out examples from the text that support each of the following facts. खाली दिलेल्या फॅक्ट्सला सपोर्ट करणारी या धड्यातली उदाहरणं शोधून काढा. नंबर 1. Goals should be achievable. And the example is, as a student we cannot become a president or a prime minister but can hope to reach those heights in future. Goals should be achievable या फॅक्ट्सला सपोर्ट करण्यासाठी त्या टेक्स्टमधली उदाहरणं अशी आहेत. As a student, we cannot become a president or a prime minister, but can hope to reach those heights in future. Second, a time limit should be set to achieve goals. An example from the text: to reduce weight, we know how to go about it. Without consistent time-bound action, it never becomes a reality. Next fact. A specific field or area has to be fixed to achieve goals. And examples: if it is building a house, what exactly is the capacity required and how long can it stretch should be decided. Next one. Good results depend upon the quality and quantity of work put in. Example: the quality and quantity of energy we put forth directly impact the results. Life is like a trumpet. If we don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. Fifth, a benchmark is needed to track progress. To support this fact, the examples from the texts are: to track progress against goals, a benchmark is needed. Good example is a game of football. One's exact role and position has to be clearly defined. Next question. Complete the following sentences. Smart goals are a methodology of thinking that helps people reach success. Two valuable assets of setting goals are a sense of originality and a stepping stone to illuminate the path. Next question. Read this quote. If we don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. Guess the meaning. Discuss in pairs and find similar quotes that bring in the same meaning. Answer. You reap as you sow. Input is equal to output. If defensive and not aggressive, the goal lacks realism. If we use that talent to set our goals, we can easily get success. One has to decide what one wants to achieve. Next question. Do's and don'ts for delivering a speech. Add some more points. Answer. Do's. हळूहळू बोला. टॉक स्लोली. मुख्य शब्दांवर जोर द्या. एम्फेसाइज कीवर्ड्स. थोडक्यात टॉपिकची ओळख करून द्या. इंट्रोड्यूस द टॉपिक इन शॉर्ट. समोर बघा, सरळ बघा. लुक स्ट्रेट. आत्मविश्वासपूर्वक बोला. स्पीक कॉन्फिडेंटली. अँड डोंट्स. पुटपुटू नका. डोंट मंबल. वर किंवा खाली पाहू नका. डोंट लुक अप ऑर डाऊन. विषयापासून भरकटू नका. डोंट स्क्रिबल. सतत हालचाली करू नका. डोंट मेक कॉन्स्टंट मुवमेंट्स. अगदी मोठ्याने बोलू नका. डोंट स्पीक लाऊडली. फ्रेंड्स, now let's see next question. You are going to participate in an inter-school elocution competition. The subject given to you is how to achieve success in life. Draft a speech to present it in a competition. Here some points have been given for drafting a speech. How to achieve success in life. Proper guidance. योग्य मार्गदर्शन. Dedication. समर्पण. Following examples of successful people. यशस्वी लोकांच्या उदाहरणांचं अनुकरण करणे. Passion. तीव्र इच्छा किंवा वेड. Sacrifice. त्याग. नेव्हर गिव्ह अप ॲटिट्यूड. आपला दृष्टिकोन किंवा ध्येय कधीही सोडून देऊ नये. सेटिंग गोल. ध्येय निश्चित करणे. प्लॅनिंग. नियोजन. नॉलेज ऑर इन्फॉर्मेशन. ज्ञान किंवा माहिती. कॉन्फिडन्स. आत्मविश्वास. हार्डवर्क. कठोर मेहनत. पर्सिव्हरन्स. चिकाटी किंवा जिद्द. या मुद्द्यांच्या आधारे आपल्याला एक स्पीच तयार करायचं आहे. हाऊ टू अचीव सक्सेस इन लाईफ. आन्सर. हाऊ टू अचीव सक्सेस इन लाईफ. ऑनरेबल जजेस, respected teachers and my friends. Today I am going to speak about how to achieve success in life. First of all, we should set our goal which we want to achieve. We must have the will, skill and desire to achieve our goal. It is not easy to achieve goal. It is a challenge. It requires planning. Before deciding our goal, we must have information and knowledge about the field. To achieve success, we must work hard. Positive thinking, planning, passion, patience, practice and perseverance are some qualities needed for success. We must have self-confidence to achieve our goal. Another important thing to reach the target is proper guidance. One must have 3 D's, that is devotion, dedication and determination. Without dedication, it will not be possible to achieve what we wish to achieve. We should also follow the examples of successful people. To achieve something, we have to sacrifice. We must have never give up attitudes. There may be some problems, hindrances, and challenges, but we have to overcome them and reach our destination. There are so many examples of successful persons who, in spite of problems, achieved their goals. So friends, if you like this video, please do not forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching and goodbye.